Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, so we're getting straight into it. The color I'm using is from Young Nails. It is Cover Rosebud. Yes, me and yes, Ersky vibes. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Y'all know the deal. Keep that shape, baby. Keep that shape. Y'all know the drill. Drain it, drop it. Tame the top, seal it, seal it, seal it. Go around, bring it on down, bring it on down. Seamless, seamless, baby, seamless. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Are we gonna recycle the bead? Hope we recycle it. Oh, we wasted it. Keep that shape, keep that shape. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. Keep that shape. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Clean it up. We got a frame, we got a frame. But bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Keep that shape, keep that shape. Yes, ma'am. Alright, alright, alright. I don't know what I needed the extra bead for, but you know, we're gonna go with it. Something I seen there that I couldn't see from over here. You feel me? Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. That fan done turned on this computer just that quick. Just that quick. Drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Seal it, and bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Keep that shape. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. You building that apex right there. Yes, ma'am. Keep the shape, making sure it's flat on. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down. As you guys can see, it starts to flow down all on its own because we have our hand at a downward position. Drain it, drop it, tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down, bring it on down. We need another bead, we need another bead. Put it on top, put it on top. Drain it, drop it. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Clean it up. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Keeping that thickness throughout the nail. Clean it up. Yes, ma'am. Keep that shape. Looks good, looks good. Alright. Drop it. Tame it. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. Being consistent is the best thing we can do when it comes to doing nails. Drain it. Drop it. Tame it, tame it, tame it. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Oh, I do want to make this note. I am uploading 2 videos today because I am late. And honestly, these videos will probably be posted. I'll probably be posting 3 videos on December 12th because it's already 11 p.m. and I don't have a video posted for today. So I'm behind, but I am going to catch up for sure. And I'm going to let you guys listen to some music while I do the filing. Okay, so we're doing some really classic, some simple nails. I did put a layer of base coat gel down, and now I am placing some croc print design on top of that, and then it's going to spread a little bit. We're going to put it inside a nail lamp. Once again, this is base coat, regular base coat. Putting a thin layer down. Yes, ma'am, covering the whole nail, and then we take a brush and we lay our croc print down, and it's going to spread a little, and it's going to be cute. Gonna give it a second just to allow it to spread, and then we're gonna put it in. It looks really good. It looks really good. Here comes the fan. Just that fast. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to get through. Looks cute. Looks cute. And then we're gonna place. We're gonna top coat these, and and the top coat is gonna be beetles, of course. And on the nails that don't have croc print, we're gonna place 2 little cuticle diamonds, and that'll be the finished product. And if you guys made it this far in the video, please leave me a white flag. Leave me a white flag, because you know we gonna get through nail miss. If it's one way or another, we gonna get through it. But I gotta go. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys tuning in to Nail Miss. I really, really do. And I do apologize for being late, guys. I'm late. Sorry. But I gotta go. Bye.